What's up, guys? So, welcome to AI Tech Tube. So, today we're going to be reviewing two tools, two AI and design tools. Now, they have a similar kind of use case, but one has been around for a while, which is Canva, and the other one is Microsoft Designer, which just dropped. So, we're trying to figure out which of them is best for every kind of design we want to do. So, I've actually used both of them, and I think they are both cool. But for a reasons, one is better than the other in a different aspect. So that depends on what you're looking for. So we're going to take a look at each and every aspect of these tools and see how best they can be useful for every project we undertake. So let's take a look at Designer. So Microsoft Designer, this is what the interface looks like. There's your stunning designs made lightning fast with AI. Okay, so you can just describe what you want, and it gives you something like that. So, so we're gonna take a look at considering every aspect of it. So I need to sign up. Sorry for that little issue. So let's take a look at what Microsoft Designer looks like. So we have this. So you easily describe what you want, and it generates the image for you. So I initially said the flying 3D horse, and we have something already generated here, which was fast. So we could just say you can change the size of what you want to landscape. So this is what you have in landscape, and you can add an image from your phone. So it literally takes ideas from the image you have. So let's try something else. So it just gives you an idea. It doesn't really do much of AI stuff. You understand? So but the difference is that it gives you templates you can start off with that has the word beer in it. You know? So if I did the same thing on Canva, So, but let's get into. So, Canva has AI, but it's on a premium level. So, I can't really use that because this account is just a basic account. So, we're trying to see how we can leverage on this. Let's go to the main. So, I'm just wondering if this is all they have because I don't even understand. Okay, this can't be all they have. It can't be. So I say I need a flyer. They're supposed to have pre-made templates. Okay, so let's say we need a flyer for an event, a party. Okay, so because I chose landscape, let's see what they have in portrait. So let's see, generate what image you want to create. Okay, so this is their AI tool. So I asked for a bear. Let's just say a lion in a red suit. Right, this is a little bit what's this? Low angle detail. Let's see what that gives. If they can generate this. Okay. So let's try something else. Let's try what they have. So what I noticed is that they have AI generation and they can literally help you combine that with wow, this looks cool. This looks cool though. So imagine I want this and I want to use it in a flyer for an award ceremony. Okay. So it gives me, so literally it helps you generate real content on this stuff. But I can't really say much about the flyers. Like the flyers are still looking really, really basic, But it actually does AI generation, which is cool. So, but the flyers really fall flat. Okay, but for Canva, you can actually get real flyers. Yeah, Canva has real flyers for events, but the AI generation is a premium feature. You have to subscribe for that. Plus, I don't think their AI could actually be as good as this. So I think that's the difference between these two. This has AI generation, generative image for free, while their Flare is not really all that good. Okay, and this has nice template for flyers, but their AI generation is a premium feature, and I've tried it. I don't think it's all that as good as what I'm seeing here with Microsoft Designer. So I want to try something else now. I really want to push this. So this should be generative. Let's see. So this is what we have. So what can I actually use this for? I could download this and use it in Canva basically because Canva has better templates. I don't know, but then or use it in Photoshop for some cool ideas. Add some text and all. Okay, so they have templates here, but I just don't understand their templates for real. Like they have to improve on this. So I could add text, right? There's a whole lot going on here. So you literally have to take your time to edit this whole thing. So, in a nutshell, the basic advantage they have is the AI generating feature. That's what I think, though. So, but I could easily do this on so many AI softwares, but then I think they still have a lot of improvements to go. Let me see if I can even download. So, okay, so the same way you download on Canva. Yep. So that's that. So and that's basically it. I think so the only advantage Canva has over it is the fact that it has much more defined templates, but the AI feature is on premium. While this has the 3D AI generation feature, but the templates are not well defined. So, and that's basically what you can take out from these two reviews. You know, and so far, I think Microsoft Designer still has a long way to go. Yeah, they do have a long way to go. They have to work on the templates, definitely. But they're good at the AI stuff. You can easily get very cool images from the AI and maybe use it somewhere else, maybe on Photopea or Photoshop, anywhere you like. So that's about that. So if you love this video, you can share, like, and subscribe.